The next topic is 16.5 Scientific Notation. In class 7, you were introduced to the concept of scientific notation. You learned that this notation is used when we are dealing with very large or very small numbers. It is easy to write a number in the decimal notation using the following procedures. The first one is a number expressed in the scientific notation should have the decimal point after the first non-zero digit. The second one, the number of places the decimal point has to move determines the exponent of 10. Third one, if the decimal point has to move from right to left, the exponent is positive. If the decimal point has to move from left to right, the exponent is negative. Example 985643. Here the first procedure is a number expressed in the scientific notation should have the decimal point after the first non-zero digit. So here using the decimal for the first non-zero digit. Here the first non-zero digit is 9. So 9.85643. The second procedure, the number of places the decimal points has to move determine the exponent of 10. So the number of places is determine the exponent of 10. So the value is into 10 to the power. Third, if the decimal point has to move from right to left, the exponent is positive. Here the decimal is move right to left. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So the exponent power is positive. So 5 is 10 to the power of positive 5. The fourth point, if the decimal point has to be moved from left to right, the exponent is negative. Example 0.0000098563. Now using the first procedure is point the decimal of the non-zero number. The non-zero number is 9. So 9.85643. The second procedure is into 10 to the power of. Now you can find the power value. So here moving left to right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Here the power value is 6. So right to left means negative value. So negative 6. This is the scientific notation of this number. Next exercise 16.4. The first question, express each in scientific notation. The question is 64350000. Write down the solution first. Now you can write the express as the scientific notation. The question is 64350000. Using the procedure, the first procedure is put the decimal of the first non-zero number digits. The first non-zero digit is 6.435. The second procedure, into 10 to the power of exponent. Now you can find the exponent right to left here. So the right to left means the exponent is positive. So the first one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So the 10 to the power of positive 7. Left to right, move right to left is the exponent is positive. Left to right, the exponent is negative. First one, homework sum. The first question 80109. Second one 0.0001. Next third question, expand the following. 9.00876 into 10 to the power of negative 4. Here the question is in scientific notation. You can change to the decimal value. Here the value is, the exponent power is negative. So you can change to the decimal. Here the exponent is negative 4. So 900876. Here first 1, 2, 3 and 4. 0.0. Now you can check 1, 2, 3 and 4. So the value is 10 to the power of negative 4. The number is 0.000900876 is the expand form. Third one, homework sum, 6.80968 into 10 to the power of positive 7. Second one, 3.079 into 10 to the power of negative 3. Fourth question, express the following in standard form. The question is 90877,665 into 10 to the power of 8. Solution. First, convert the value to scientific notation. So, 90877,665 into 10 to the power of 8 is equal to, first convert this number to scientific notation. 9.0877665 into 10 to the power of, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 10 to the power of 7 into 10 to the power of 8. Now using the law 2, positive powers, a power m into a power n. So 9.0877665 into 10 to the power of 7 plus 8, that is 7 plus 8 is equal to 9.0877665 into 10 to the power of 7 plus 8, that is 15 is the standard form of the expression. Fourth question, homework sum, first one, 47.896 into 10 to the power of negative 3. Second one, 0.000096 into 10 to the power of positive 9. Fifth question, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. These are the homework sums.